Welcome to today's session. Learning Outcome 5. Present a solution proposal to a client. Are you ready to confidently present a solution proposal that truly resonates with your client? In this session, we will explore the key steps from analyzing client needs to crafting solutions that deliver real value. You will learn how to align your proposals with client objectives, communicate your ideas persuasively, and set the stage for successful implementation. Let's dive in and master the art of effective solution proposals. Begin by recapping the client's needs and challenges. Demonstrate your understanding of their pain points. Highlight the importance of addressing these issues. This sets the stage for proposing a viable solution. Ensure the client feels heard and understood. Present the proposed solution, emphasizing key features and benefits. Explain how it aligns with the client's objectives. Use diagrams or prototypes for clarity. Make the solution tangible and relatable. Address how it effectively meets their needs. Outline the benefits of implementing the solution. Focus on added value to the client's business. Highlight improvements like efficiency and cost savings. Discuss potential competitive advantages. Make clear the positive outcomes expected. Provide an overview of the implementation plan. Include timelines and milestones. Discuss resource requirements and steps involved. Cover initial setup to ongoing support. Ensure the client understands the deployment process. Present a detailed cost analysis of the solution. Break down the initial investment and ongoing maintenance. Discuss potential return on investment. Explain how costs contribute to the overall value. Ensure transparency in financial aspects. Acknowledge potential risks in implementing the solution. Discuss technical complexities and organizational resistance. Present mitigation strategies and contingency plans. Ensure a smooth implementation process. Address any client concerns proactively. Summarize the key points of the presentation. Invite client feedback and questions. Outline the next steps in decision-making. Discuss further evaluations or approvals needed. Keep the client engaged in the process. Express appreciation for the opportunity to present. Reaffirm commitment to supporting the client's success. Provide contact information for further inquiries. Encourage ongoing communication. Ensure the client feels valued and supported. Thoroughly review client feedback. Pay attention to specific concerns and suggestions. Analyze feedback in the context of the solution's features. Identify areas for improvement. Use feedback to enhance the solution proposal. Identify recurring themes in client feedback. Prioritize areas needing improvement. Categorize feedback into usability, functionality, and cost. Focus on critical issues affecting client objectives. Ensure feedback guides solution refinement. Prioritize amendments based on feedback significance. Address critical issues impacting success. Focus on client objectives. Ensure amendments align with client needs. Use feedback to guide solution improvements. Schedule a discussion session with the client. Understand their feedback in detail. Encourage open dialogue and participation. Ensure mutual understanding of proposed amendments. Foster a collaborative partnership. Adopt an iterative design process. Incorporate client feedback continuously. Break down amendments into tasks. Facilitate incremental progress. Ensure solution design meets client expectations. Maintain transparent communication with the client. Provide regular updates on amendments. Seek clarification as needed. Ensure changes reflect client preferences. Foster trust and collaboration. Conduct testing to validate amendments. Ensure changes meet client expectations. Solicit feedback from end users. Validate effectiveness of proposed amendments. Address any remaining concerns. Document all amendments made to the design. Include rationale behind each change. Update proposal documents accordingly. Ensure accuracy in documentation. Reflect the amended design clearly. Conclusion. By implementing these steps, you can present a solution proposal to a client with clarity and confidence. It is essential to demonstrate a thorough understanding of their needs and challenges while ensuring that the proposed solution aligns with their objectives. This approach not only enhances the likelihood of client approval, but also contributes to the successful achievement of desired outcomes. If anything is unclear or you need help, WhatsApp us at 0748 4361 688. Our team will gladly assist. Thanks for your time, and see you at the next session.